Okay, so I started on my eyes just to get a nice little color going, but now I'm gonna do my foundation. And lately, well, it's been off and on that I've really been loving to use the Versali drops, and this is the Rose Gold Elixir, and I think it just makes my foundation look really smooth all over, and I just like the way that my face looks and feels throughout the day. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever HD, and this is in Y335, and I'm finally coming around to this foundation. Finally. Just gonna grab a little bit more for a little bit more coverage. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this colorful look, and I'll see you in my next video.